What is up, guys? It is the day after Thanksgiving. Today I am at work, waiting for my coworker to come in, and we're gonna start working on the GTR. Hopefully, by the end of the day I can get the new core support in, I can get some lines made, I can get the hood fit, headlights, blah blah blah, and then after that it's just any type of body work and then paint on the core support. I really want to get this car done for the springtime, so that's a lot of work between that and getting it through the inspection process for the rebuilt title. It's definitely going to be quite a bit. I guess we'll see how far we get today. What? Little update. Alright guys, so rad support is fully welded in. Took a bit, but as you can see, all the way down there, down there, down there, there, down there, down there, down there. So it's all looking good still. Trammed it out, put the fenders on, everything fit great and trimmed out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up for the day and continue another day. Now I gotta dress all the welds, gotta do my seam sealer work, my paint work, and then from then it's all body work. Back of the car, the trunk lines up great now, as you can see. Latch is great, no issues. Taillights actually fit now. The bumper fits nice and mint with the gate. I still have to beat this around and then weld these up, but I guess the car was hitting the back at one point, but not too bad. So I gotta fix all that stuff. Looks nasty, but it will clean up nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I know my followers, or my subscribers rather, are for my GS, but this is the current project, and this is gonna be most likely my daily over the GS because of what it is. But if you enjoyed the progress on the GTR build, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys.